company. Today, I'm going to show you how to replace the thermocouple and toilets of gas range 4 burner with a vent. Throughout the process, we will use a screwdriver and spanner. Step 1. Must ensure that the stove is not using and has cooled down completely before attending any repairs. Then, remove the grate. Take out the water tray and locate the thermocouple and toilet. Step 2. Use a screwdriver to loosen the top screw. We will get the free part. And use the spanner and unscrew the nut underneath as well. Then we can take the thermocouple out. Step 3. Use a spanner to remove the screw connecting the toilet. By turning it, and we can take it out. Look, this is the toilet. Finally, you just follow the previous steps to reinstall the new thermocouple and toilet, and this part, it is done. Remember to test the stove before using it to ensure that everything is working properly. Thank you for your watching.